Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a square root in Google Docs, and there are many methods you can try. First, if you want to create a square root for a mathematical equation, you have to go to the insert menu and then click equation. And then here, you can start type backslash. The backslash key is located between the backspace and the enter key. And then you can type SQRT and then press the space bar on the keyboard. And now you have this square root in the document. So that's a simple way to create a square root for a mathematical equation. However, there are many other ways you can get this symbol in the document. Next method is by using a special character. So let me show you. Go to the insert menu and then click special characters. And then here, there are many categories that you have to go through to find that symbol, but I highly recommend to just use this drawing area to get the square root icon. So just draw it like here, and now you will see the option. So I think this is the square root icon, and when you click it, it will be inserted into the document. So yeah, that's the second method, which is not very easy, but there is a faster method. You can use the keyboard shortcut Alt and then the numeric key 2, 5, and then 1. So it's essentially the same. By the way, if you're using the portable device like laptop, you probably don't see the numerical key on the right hand side of the keyboard, and therefore you might need to press the Alt plus Fn, and then you can follow that by 2, 5, 1 on the upper row area of your keyboard. So yeah, Alt 251, and there you go. That's basically how you can create a square root in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.